Alright guys, so we're here. We just got back from a trip this weekend and we noticed this spot when we first started out for the year, when we came out to get everything ready to go. And we don't believe that it's water damage. I think that it's from humidity, but we are going to find out.
Rip all this out, take the wallpaper off and see what happens.
This should be fun. All right, this is definitely what we did not want to see. Some wood that has started to rot. See how far that goes up against our frame of our trailer there. So it looks like we are going to be replacing this wood. All right, so this is what we're going to try to do, right? Don't forget that we are rookies. We haven't had this bad boy for a year. I'm really disappointed in this. That means it wasn't sealed very well at the factory. So I'm glad that I came in and cleaned it all off and redid the seals. So hopefully when we get this fixed, it won't ever happen again. Nasty wet wood, dry it all out. Just figure out how to patch it. Maybe just put some sweet old disco lights up there or something. What's your favorite disco song? Let us know in the comments. This is one of the beauties of the free solos. They were exclusive for the RV1 dealers, which I think now are Blue Compass. The framing is aluminum instead of wood like this. Thank the Lord, because if this was wood, I don't know what kind of mess we would have right now. Right now I'm looking at replacing this board, maybe this board. Looking and seeing what I gotta do right here. This is the solid, this is the rest of the skeleton, so really hope I can salvage all of this. But this aluminum frame is what helps make it so light, and right now is probably saving us a pretty penny. I'm not really too happy. We've got most of it cleaned out. As you can see, some wood damage here. We're gonna let this dry out and see what it looks like tomorrow or the day after. We ended up having to gut this sucker all the way down to the bottom, take out one of the compartments. There's a little bit of damage on the sidewall, not much. This has a foam insulation on it. I really hate to take that out. We're just gonna go as far as we can and look. So there's no water damage up here. We pulled this back and looked. So it appears that our water damage, of all places, came from our light out here. So that means it wasn't sealed very good. Now I feel like an idiot when I just did a video about this is how you seal your camper. And then I find this. Like I said, we got this less than a year ago. So all of this damage is probably caused from it not being caulked or sealed out here on a light. So if you're getting a camper new or used or have one, be sure to check all of your seals, caulk, all of that stuff to make sure that you're good to go, because you don't want to be 9 months into your ownership and ripping out half of your camper.